Traditional single-point measurement uses a limited number of points. This method is sufficient for determining size, but does not provide any information on the exact form, and only delivers unreliable information on the position of the parts to be measured. A circle can theoretically be determined with 4 measuring points. However, no information on the absolute form is provided. On the other hand, continuous scanning of the workpiece delivers the real form and a realistic measuring result. The VAST XXT sensor on the RDS articulating probe holder is available on the entry-level machine from Carl Zeiss. With more than 20,000 angular positions, this passive sensor covers the full range of motion. Thus, optimal positioning of the test piece is always possible. This allows you to measure quickly and flexibly. The RDS system reaches its limitations with deep laying measuring points. This is where the active VAST central probe is advantageous. The VAST central probe achieves greater accuracy with this measuring task, despite the larger stylus length. A direct comparison of possible styli lengths. A comparable single-point measurement would require many measuring points, consequently, a long measuring time. Furthermore, measuring errors become more important as the base of the measurement gets smaller. Too few measuring points lead to an incorrect result, as the real form cannot be precisely recorded. Scanning is the only way to achieve an accurate and reproducible measuring result. When it comes to bore alignments, absolute size, as well as form and position, determine compliance with the specifications, and with that, the functionality of the workpiece. VAST Navigator is now the 3rd generation of scanning from Carl Zeiss. Increasing productivity is our goal. The advantages in detail. Dynamic calibration, with 2 speeds exclusively on the calibrating sphere, compensates for stylus bending. Tangential approach to the workpiece when moving. No unnecessary stops. Helix scanning enables high measuring speeds. Fast scanning with the VAST Navigator for even more accuracy. Why waste time? The comparison illustrates the speed advantage of VAST Navigator. Various standards require repeatability and reproducibility of the measuring result. This is not guaranteed with single-point measuring. Just a slight change in the position of the workpiece changes the result. Under these conditions, repeatability is not possible. For this reason, scanning is required in order to follow standards. It is the only means of reliably determining size, form, and position. Scanning is the only way to receive reliable measuring results and to ensure optimum product quality. Scanning with Carl Zeiss. More accurate, faster, reliable, repeatable, more productive.